Hey, this is Music Mark Z, and we are going to break down one of the live tracks, or the tracks I have on this channel, all mine. This one's called July 16th, and there's a few parts to it. We'll just kind of subgroup them, I guess, put them into groups, and we'll break it through. I'll play it full speed. Um, I'll play it through full speed, and then we'll stop. We'll break it down, and we will go ahead and go over each part. It's a very simple song, really. It looks sort of kind of weird. I'm kind of up and down the fretboard in different spots, but it's a basic song. But anyways, it is early in the morning, and we will see if I can get through it without messing up. But anyways, this is called July 16th, and it's one of the tracks. You can find it. I did it fully on the live version. One thing to make sure you subscribe, which is over here, turn on your notifications, all that good stuff. And I guess I will go ahead and kind of show you what I'm doing. And then we'll slow it down and break it apart for you. I gotta get this angle just right. I still haven't figured that out yet. It should be over here. I guess like that. There we go. Sort of. We'll get this situated. That's not right either. Bear with me as I get my laptop situated where you can see the fretboard. Move that way. Let's move this way. There we go. All right, here we go. I'm stupid, okay? All right, here we go. July 16th. All right, so that's the intro. And the intro is really simple. It's just two strums of an E minor, or three strums actually, and then you come down here, you can slide into it, or you can just come there. So it would be index finger 5, 7, 5, 7. So it's A string 5, A string 7, D string 5, and then 7. So it's that's it. And you have to actually, you can pull that off too. But I guess here we go. So it's like da 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 da. So da, 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 da. Okay, that's the first one. Then you do it again, and then you just go with your pinky to the eighth on the D. Okay, so it's the whole phrase is you gotta be careful now, and you gotta come back to that note again. So it's almost like the first one, except you're adding that back in there, and you're sliding with that third finger down to the 14. Okay, so that's the whole phrase there. We'll take it real slow. Maybe you don't add, maybe you just add an extra pick note there, and you come down. See, I don't even know my own songs. Great, right? Next part. Okay, so when you break into that next part, this is the verse chords, and I'm a very simple guitarist, and I needed to sing this song. So basically, all you're doing is fretting one note, and you're playing like 4 strings. You're playing like E, A, E, A, D, and G open. but you're fretting one string to give you a tone there. So it starts out on here, on the 7th, A string, then you go here to the D string, 5th fret, and then you go to the 4th fret, A string. That's the entire verse there. Okay, one thing, and so you play that through, I think it's like 4 times, and the 4th one you switch fingers, and I do that on purpose because the next part, real quick little lick before the verse actually starts, what I do is I switch to my 3rd finger on the slide down to on the slide from here down to here, which is the 14th, and then that's just, you bend that. So let's just walk through the whole intro to the verse part. So you basically have come out of the beginning, and you're going. And the singing starts here. Another day. And that is it. That's the verse. And then you do that. And now the chorus. Once you get to the chorus, so you sing the whole first verse. Na, 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 na. Okay, so here I gotta go. Actually, I use a little chromatic, like kind of whole step, half step, whole step thing. And then you go into the chorus, which is simply just easy chords. You get a G chord. And you do that little thing there again. Start back at the beginning. Okay, so then on the second verse, you skipped a little. You just jump right into singing, and that's a little timing thing because I found this little thing here, that little quick like 4 or 5 note little lick there, does not, it kind of messes your timing up when you're singing, so you just have to kind of play through that, and that is the entire song. You'll do that little lick again on the 3rd verse, and that is it. That's your entire song called July 16th. It took me a while to write that song. It was literally about the day I got attacked outside of my house. Coming home. Joni's Pizzeria, maybe they'll sponsor this one. Joni's Pizzeria in Soulard, which is literally a mile from my house, got attacked, accosted by 4 men at gunpoint. They all had guns. Anybody that holds a gun, if you're 4 guys, and then look at me, I'm a very tiny guy. It's like you're 4 guys going to take me down with 4 guns. That's just not right. And in fact, that's very pussy of you to even try. Let's go one-on-one, mano-a-mano next time. If you want to rob me one-on-one. We'll see how things have changed, and put the gun away, leave that at home, and you get nowhere. So that I want to leave my message. That is July 16th. It is about everything that is wrong with this country today. Anyways, that was your guitar tutorial on how to play it. Subscribe to this channel. Oh, wrong way. This one. Yeah. There we go. Subscribe. Where's it at? There it is. Somewhere down here. You subscribe. Turn on notifications. That is July 16th. I've done all 3 songs on this channel so far. I may have to put out another live track to do another song. These are all 100% my songs. No copyright infringement because I own all the rights to them. I am Music Mark Z, and that is your guitar tutorial, guitar lesson for July 16th. Until next time, peace out.